park this fucker, it's way too big for the space you're in. So Stu and Amjad managed to get the F150 running, however it's now got no drive. So I've watched enough episodes of Roadkill to know that if you've got a big American V8 with an auto box that doesn't select the gear, then you just need to ram half a ton of ATF down it and then it's going to work mint. So I'm going to try because nothing to lose. Let's go get some ATF. So we've managed to locate the dipstick, which is way down there, and almost nothing. So that's a good sign. Stuart, because he's Stuart, obviously has the right tool for the job.
Scientific measurement.
As much as will go in until it comes out the top.
That was taken back out.
It'll spit itself back out if there's no space for it. Okay, so that, how many litres of oil was that we've chucked in there, Stu?
2.5.
2.5 or 3 litres in. It's swallowed every bit of it, which is a good sign. Got him in this bad boy. Ouch! Okay, is the battery back on? Whew. Matey. Overdrive off. That's neutral. First one will be drivey, then reverse past it. Oh wait, no, that's all sorts of things down there. Oh, we've got a bit of movement there.
Oh, thinking about it. More than it did before.
Try a lesser gear.
First.
It's bleeding! We need more oil, I think. Got to check the level. Let it get up to temp. It's moved! It moved though!
It moved, yeah.
Registering?
Nope.
I didn't think so.
Not the slightest.
Mare!
Oh, it is. Register.
Oh,
Right
aye. A wee tip. Right, we need more. This is going to work! I'm feeling it in my bones! So is that like another 2 litres put in?
Yep. Oh, we're definitely fucking registering now.
We're registering?
Yeah, alright, we're right above the max.
We give it a go?
3 inches.
Excited, but it'll still take into the torque converter and probably drop down again. Let's find out. Okay. Starts a wee sweety now. So that's just straight drive. Oh mate, I don't even have to take my foot off the brake, it's trying to go. It's trying to go. Hi! Is the handbrake on? How do you know? No. It works! Just put my... let's find the power button for this source. Bet this thing cost an absolute fortune back in the day. I don't know if you can see that rear view camera. Right, you ready? Pimpin'?
It says used 5 litre fuel already. Is it going to fit through the gate?
Wow, it's big like. What good? Wow. How do you drive this thing on normal roads? Alright, that's it.
Miles on this side. That's just practice for LA.
It's working! Maybe a wee bit slip in the gearbox still. It's hard to tell if it's the brakes sticking on or if it's got a bit of slip. Overdrive. Oh. What does overdrive even mean?
If it's anything like the cube, it just holds the revs out for a bit longer.
Got customers in there. Let's see if we've got reverse.
Hope so.
Nope. No reverse currently.
Right, well,
Doing a 3-point turn and this might be tricky.
yeah, I think we'll just go and move the barriers.
It's probably easier, eh? There's something there. I think we still just need more fluid. Come on! We've got reverse! We've got all the gears now. Fucking hell, this is... Ah, so the brakes are stuck on is the issue.
Here, can we drive over that Fiat 500?
I'm tempted. Well, I'll drive over something. Right, let's try to get back in the yard with it crashing into 14 different things. Fuck, it feels as big as that gate. It does, eh?
Turn and circle the QE2 right enough though.
It's not too bad. I don't think it's much worse than my 7. Go. Bit of bump. Great success! Thanks. Let's put a little bit more fluid in it and see if we get a reverse better.
Right.
So we've managed to get this thing driving again, roadkill style, just by chucking loads of fluids at it, and apparently this came with remote start, so we're going to lock it. Which works. Open it, which works, and then apparently this will start it. Negative. How about this one? Negative. Ah, no remote start. Unless it needs to be locked. Disaster! Oh well, at least it works. We can start it from the key.
Halfway there.
Result! So we managed to get the F150 driving.
Yeah, how did you get that to happen?
Gearbox fluid,
Oh, just some.
roadkill style. Well, about 5 litres and it still needs more.
Wow.
It still needs more. There's most of the forward gears and a little bit of reverse.
Enough reverse to get it to where it is now?
Yeah, because I reversed it back in there.
Cool.
So I think you should take it for a drive
Yeah.
so that you can see just how unusably large it is
I'm
when
gonna
it
try
comes
drive
for
it
recoveries.
Down the pit road.
Yeah, let's go down onto track and see what happens.
Sounds good. Where's the key?
Key will be in it probably, but the battery's off.
Start. No.
Starts with, just need to reconnect the battery.
Let's do it.
Oh, it's so big. It's gonna rip my jeans, just try to get it out. Actually should fire right up. Get sweety.
So happy.
Alright, don't hit the Ranger.
Right, I've noticed my first problem is I'm just too far back, I can't see it. Look at this old school.
Pull it down till it goes to drive.
Drive. That's not quite as succinct as I was hoping it was.
Yeah, so you need to not hit anything, bear in mind its length before you put all that lock on.
I've maybe hit something.
Yeah, all the brakes are stuck on, makes it feel like it's constantly crashing into stuff.
That's good.
You're alright, loads of space on this side.
No.
Loads of space.
Loads of space here too.
Right. Now you've got to fit through this gate, which is huge in a normal vehicle. Hey bother?
Got E36 I'm worried about.
Don't you look so confident?
I'm fine. Oh, mirrors. Through jamming.
She's a big jalopy.
Oh!
You could do some proper cruising in it.
Yeah. I'm so happy. It's everything I needed from a vehicle. Door ajar, apparently.
Oh, but was it mine or yours?
Oh, who knows?
The door is ajar.
Right. cones then.
Right, cones, let's squeeze through this. So these are normal sized
Lanes.
width lanes for cars. You're going to have a
This
look.
one?
Oh, he's changed his mind. Oh, there goes some stuff rolling about in the back. Right, now squeeze down.
This is quite a big lane, to be fair.
This is the bigger of the lanes.
Yeah, it's tactical.
Still feels tight though, doesn't it?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's alright though.
Now imagine this is all full of final boss
expensive
or STL cars and you're having to drag one off.
It's okay though because all the doors open upwards like that.
Oh, that's true. That is true. Squeeze past here.
Yeah. Watch the door. Maybe we're going to hit it with a thing.
Fine on this side.
Yeah, good. All good.
Oh, this is the fastest I've ever been. I'm scared. I am scared. Oh wow. Oh.
Is that a bit? Is that just stuff in the back?
That's
or is
just,
that bits of car?
just stuff in the back.
There you go.
It's just those bits of wood and a bit of exhaust. Probably should have tried a burnout before we put all the extinguishers in the back, eh? So in proper Roadkill style, since we've managed to get the gearbox working, it seems only right that we should try do a burnout. Not convinced it's going to work, but we have to try it. It's basically the law. Automatic, will the gearbox explode or will it do a massive burnout? Yes! Burnout! You're in the dirt! You're in the dirt! You're in the dirt! It doesn't burn it! No smoke or fluids. Just a really nice burnout, Mark.
Best car ever. Ford F150.
Probably for sale soon.
Coming soon to probably not a track near you. Into some sort of Gumtree advert. Yes.
Who wants to buy a Ford F150 V8 automatic with a 6-inch lift kit and LPG and it does burnouts?
Woo!
It's quite tight in the lanes. She's tight, she's tight. Oh, he's getting them. Now comes the real challenge.
Let's get reversed into our spot.
Oh, not doing burnouts in front of Barney's house.
Sorry, barnacles.
Sorry, Barney, brakes are stuck on me.
Don't stop believing you can park this fucker. It's way too big for the space you're in.
What do you
Just
think?
keeps getting better and better, to be honest.
So, are we selling it?
Probably.
Yeah. It does burnouts, Stu.
Does it?
We took it down to the burnout in it.
Right.
So yeah, it was a good idea at the start.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to be particular. It's going to be as good for recoveries as that weird Transit that I bought, remember, with the spec lift on the back.
Spec Transit, yeah.
And
the one
all
we
it was,
parked up for a year.
yeah, all it was good for was smashing people's bumpers off.
Part 3, F150 for sale.
Yeah, probably.
Probably.
Thanks everybody. See you next time.